So Emma, what do you have on today? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Snow Queen.
And what do you have on your head?
Snow crown.
A snow crown? Oh, can you stand up so I can see the full outfit? Oh, Emma, can maybe you do a little dance or something?
Can you sing, Emma? Sing your song to me. Can you sing louder, please?
It's all I don't care. But the dog is scared. When the storm will drown. Cause I ain't away. The sentence I is wrong. Feel it from me. I guess you know. Time to see what I can do. It's exercise. Me. I free. Let go. Let go. I don't care. But the dawn don't scare. But the storm will draw. Go by anyway.
Oh, take a bow, Emma. That was perfect. That was so great. Thanks. Okay, can you say goodbye?
Bye. Goodbye.